Betting on Can't Buy My Love and Wonder Who's Right, and we'll be ready to go here in the fourth race. And they're off and racing. On the inside, Test the Mess hustled out, trying for the lead. Down the center, here comes Peacetime up alongside. Into third, that's Can't Buy My Love. And cutting over towards the rail, Desirable Desi. Right behind that one comes Daylight Fire. And to the outside there, that is Wonder Who's Right moving up. A head to the turn, and it is Test the Mess. Arnaldo Boca Chica, your 4-5 favorite, leading by about 3 parts of a length. Peacetime right there coming after the leader. Then comes Desirable Desi, followed by Wonder Who's Right on the outside, now looking to take third. Another 2 lengths to Can't Buy My Love, followed by Daylight Fire. The opening quarter goes in 24 and 2/5 seconds. It's still Test the Mess holding the advantage, 1 length better than Peacetime. Up the rail, here comes Desirable Desi to the outside. Wonder Who's Right trying to close in, almost 5 lengths back now to Can't Buy My Love and Daylight Fire. The half mile went in 48 and 3/5 seconds, and Test the Mess looking to shake loose has got him by 3 now. In second, Wonder Who's Right trying to close in between horses. Peacetime and Desirable Desi, still another 4 to Can't Buy My Love. Top of the stretch, and Test the Mess holds on to the lead by 3. Down along the inside, Desirable Desi. Wonder Who's Right there on the outside between horses. Peacetime, but it will be Test the Mess, gate to wire. In second, Desirable Desi. Ahead for the show dough, could go either way. Wonder Who's Right or Peacetime. Unofficial winning time, 1:20 between the 5 and the 7.